Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Brian's Badass Review. In today's review, I want to talk to you guys about Scotch Porter's CBD Beard Balm. What's it all about? What's CBD? Take it easy, you stoners. It's not what you think. Let's get into it. Kick the intro! Hey, what's up everybody? Thanks so much for stopping back in. Do me a favor, if you like the content that's on this channel, please hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell notification. It'll let you know when I got some new videos coming out. And I try to put new videos out every single week. If you like the content of this video, you do me a huge favor. Help me beat that algorithm by hitting the like button. Today what I want to do is I want to talk to you guys about Scotch Porter's CBD Beard Balm. And it looks a little bit like this. If you guys have watched the channel before, you guys know that I'm a huge fan of Scotch Porter's products. I love their beard conditioner. I think it's one of the best beard conditioners out there. You can check out some of my other videos. I did a beard conditioner comparison before and it was definitely in my top 2. I'm a little bit on the fence with their beard serum so far, but I'm still kind of working with it. I'm still kind of trying it out. I'm not on the I don't like it bandwagon quite yet, but I'm still working with it. But their conditioner, their beard wash, I actually got some bar soap from them. I got their facial scrub from them, and all of their products are top notch, guys. It's super good. Last week and over the last about a month or so, they've been doing this buy one get one sale, and I don't think that sale is going on right now. They actually have another sale. It's 50% off of all of their collections, which is pretty awesome deal. So you usually get like 4 different products from them, and the collection itself would be about $80. But you're gonna cut that in half and you're gonna pay $40 for some awesome quality product. But anyways, while they were doing their buy one get one free sale, I thought, hey, what a perfect opportunity for me to try their balm, because that's the one product I have not tried from them. I've tried their beard wash, I've tried their beard conditioner, I've tried the soap, I've tried the facial scrub, I've tried all kinds of different things, but I haven't tried the beard balm. And somebody had recommended down in the comments to me, hey dude, do a review on their beard balm. And then as soon as I got that comment, I got an email through the old interwebs there that said, hey, we now have CBD beard balm. So for those of you that aren't familiar with CBD, what it is it's basically an oil that's extracted from hemp, and it does not have any THC. I'm sorry there, Cheech and Chong, you're not going to get the high that you would get off of the freaking stuff. I don't know, you know what I mean. But anyways, it's CBD. CBD has a lot of good health benefits. It's known to reduce anxiety. It can promote a healthy heart. It can alleviate pain. There's claims that it can reduce risks of cancer. So there's all sorts of good stuff in CBD. So Scotch Porter put 25 milligrams of their CBD into their beard balm, which is already awesome from what I've heard, and came out with this collection of CBD products. Now I think you can get the serum, I think the conditioner and other things as well. It's kind of part of their collection. If you go on right now, I don't know how long the sale is going to last, but you can get 50% off of all their collections, like I said before. So I was just curious to see how the balm itself worked, and then I thought, hey, what the heck, let me try the CBD. But I want to talk about the balm itself. So I ordered it up and it comes in a 3-ounce container, and I'm super happy with it. I've had it for probably about 2 weeks now. I've been using it almost every day, and what I really like about it is that it has a nice hold to it. It's got that root beer marshmallowy, I think it's more of a cream soda barbershop-y kind of smell, and it's pretty much the same smell that's standard with most of their beard products. It's got that marshmallowy root beer cream soda barbershop-y kind of smell, and a lot of their products do have it. I guess some people don't care for it, but I love it. I think it's great, and I know there's a lot of other people out there that think it's really great. So I was kind of surprised. I was curious with this to have the CBD in it, if it would still have that same scent, and it does. And it's just it's a clean scent. It's like fresh out of the shower. I like to say it kind of reminds me of when you get your hair cut at the barber shop and they put that like talcum powder on, you know, they rub it on your face and stuff after they whatever. It's awesome stuff. I really like it. So I've been trying it out for the last 3 weeks or so, and what I really like about it is if I do all the steps, because I got the conditioner, I got the wash, I got the serum, I got pretty much everything from them. So I'll get in the shower, I'll go ahead and I'll do my beard wash. I usually wash the beard about maybe twice a week with the actual beard wash. I usually like to do a cold wash with the conditioner, and I'll do that, you know, maybe 3-4 times a week, and then I'll hop out of the shower, kind of get it all, I like to wait for my beard to kind of dry a little bit, and then I just dig right into the balm. And with this stuff, normally I like to put the oil in first, right? Any kind of the beard oils that I have, I like to put them in first. With this, I just wanted to try the balm right out of the shower. And what I like about it is that it's got a really nice hold to it, but it's got a pretty soft consistency for a balm. I mean, I think it's almost more of a butter. It's not quite a whipped butter, but it's very soft. So I'll take a little bit out. I'll get it in the hands. I already got the product in today, but I'll get it in the hands, kind of rub it in. And what I noticed is it's almost got like a nice styling quality to it. And the smell that comes through the beard is just great. It makes the beard feel nice and soft while still having, I would say, from a light to a medium hold, kind of more on the medium hold. I would say after probably about 20-30 minutes, you can actually feel the hold in the beard. And that scent, guys, it just stays with you all day long. So if you're looking for a nice smelling balm that gives you, I'd say, a light to medium hold, this is the stuff for you guys. Now, as far as the actual CBD effects in it, I can't speak to it. I mean, I don't know that I feel any additional effects to the CBD. Some people like it just to have it because maybe they're trying to alleviate some kind of pain, or they're trying to, deal with anxiety stuff. I don't feel any really effects. I can't say that if I got the actual beard balm and put it up with the CBD beard balm, if I would feel anything different as far as how I feel as far as going throughout the day. But what I can tell you is that I really like the way that it feels in the beard. It's got a nice styling quality to it where it's kind of reducing some of my flyaways and stuff like that. Again, I don't have the largest beard or whatever, but I do get some flyaways up here. I tend to grow a little bit thicker through here and then down here, a little bit patchy in here. But I can kind of tame it down with this stuff, and that's what I think is super awesome. Scotch Porter has a ton of awesome stuff going on their site right now. Like I said, 50% off of their collections. They also have a limited edition scent series that came out, and so I think there's 4 different scents, and I want to say they're named off of music festivals. I think one is Coachella, one is Bonnaroo, and there's 2 other ones that I can't think of off the top of my head. As far as the beard balm itself, it's got a ton of really good ingredients, and the ingredients that are in there are kind of stuff that I don't see in a lot of the other beard balms. I mean, there's all kinds of different extracts and root and different stuff. I'll put a link to all of this stuff down in the description for you, so you can just go right to the website. I do get a little kickback if you click my link and you purchase something. It's free to you, and you're helping out the channel, so I really appreciate it when you guys do that. Go check out Scotch Porter. They have a ton of good stuff. They actually sent me some extra stuff, so stay tuned, because in the future I'm going to be doing a giveaway. I'm not exactly sure what that's going to look like right now, but I got some extra beard wash and I think beard serum that I'm gonna pick somebody on the channel and I'm gonna give it away. So stay tuned for that. I'll let you guys know about that in a future video. But I'm a huge fan of Scotch Porter. You guys know that. Grab yourself some beard balm. I think it's one of the nicest beard balms that I've used. And because it has that awesome scent that I really love from Scotch Porter, I will continue to buy it and buy it and buy it. I just think it's great. So pretty cool CBD collection of Scotch Porter beard products. Limited edition. I don't know how long they're gonna run it. If you're into that whole CBD vibe, you might be interested in getting this stuff. So that's all I got for the review today, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the like button on the video. If you stuck all the way through, I really appreciate it. You guys gotta be kind to each other. You gotta do what makes you happy. That's it for me. I'm out. Peace.